welcome back to our channel. I am Minnu.
I am Nidhi.
And it's the day 2 of Minimus. So as you all know by the title, we are going to show our current glow up routine.
So the routine that we are going to show can also be followed by men and not just women. So yeah, stay tuned till the end. Also guys, we are doing a giveaway, so please do participate. Make sure you follow all the rules. So yeah, let's get started with today's video.
So first things first, सबसे पहले and the main
Most important
step is to cleanse your face. It's the most important part. Like you have to cleanse your skin.
So currently we are using the Mamaearth's Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, and it is very easy to use. First of all guys, you don't have to use your palms for it. You can directly apply and directly massage your skin with the
brush that it has. So you just have to pump this and the foam comes out, and then you have to
massage it on your face.
You can use this for removing your makeup as well. Both of us use this for removing our makeup, and it works
very well, you guys.
We do not have to stress on how good vitamin C is for your face. Like vitamin C is one of the best products that you can use on your face, and you should use vitamin C on your face if you have acne or if you have
not just
pigmentation
acne,
problem, or for glowy skin. Like vitamin C can do wonders to your skin. So we would recommend this. Like we have been using this religiously since like a week or two. It's been 2 weeks. So if you all want an alternative for this product, then we would recommend the Mamaearth's charcoal face wash. So we have already gone through 1 tube of this face wash, and this is the second one that we have as a backup. So this particular face wash can be used by people who have oily skin. So me and Nidhi Chechi, we both of us have oily and acne prone skin. So this works like
magic.
Yes,
it does guys.
So if you have oily skin and if your skin is acne prone, you all have to try this one because it is amazing. But the vitamin C ka face wash can be used by all skin types, and vitamin C तो अच्छा ही होता है, तो you do not have to even think before using this. But this one is specific for oily skin people. So
yes. So guys, the MRP of the vitamin C face wash is $399. And the charcoal face wash is for $249. So we have an alternative if you don't want to go for these products. These face washes. So we have been using the Himalayas Neem face wash for I don't know months and years, and it is very it is a very good face wash. So it is also for the same purpose. It prevents pimples and it is for all skin types. Also this is very cheap. It is just for 65 rupees, and this is the size.
And this has 50 ml of product in it.
And इसका बड़ा भी आता है और इसका foaming face wash भी आता है. So it's on you what you want to try. You can get this first, and then you can like.
Or if you all want to try like even smaller size, I guess they have a 25 ml का भी bottle. So you all can try that too.
So पहले वो try कर लो, and then you can see if you want to continue this product. So guys, when it comes to washing your face, make sure you do it twice a day, and max to max 3 times, because these face washes tend to remove the
natural oil that your skin secretes. And the second thing that it does is it opens your pores. So pores अगर open होंगे उतना ज़्यादा dirt pores के अंदर जाएगा. So make sure you're washing your face only twice a day.
So the next step that we do is steaming. Steaming helps you with opening your pores, and it makes it easier for you to exfoliate and get rid of your dead skin cells and also your blackheads and whiteheads. So the next step is to exfoliate, and first of all, when you choose a scrub, please go with a gentle scrub because you don't want to be very harsh on your skin. And we use the Mamaearth's charcoal face scrub. So it costs you $349, and it's a very good face scrub.
So it has walnut in it, and that's the main product that helps you with exfoliating your skin. So this scrub, oh my god you guys, it literally gets rid of all your dead skin on your face, and it makes your skin so smooth. Wow. And also I guess this makes your skin a little tad bit dry,
but it makes your skin tight.
Yeah, and that actually we love it because we have oily skin and we want our skin to feel a little, good and matte.
So we have another product which again helps you with your blackheads and whiteheads. We have so it is a cleansing charcoal nose strips. It also has a range where it has strips for your forehead, your nose and your chin, but we got our nose strips.
So you get 3 nose strips for 100 rupees, which is amazing.
So guys, remember to wet your nose before using the strip, because this strip does not stick on dry skin, and later like wait for 10 minutes and then you can remove
Peel
the
it
strip.
off.
Yeah, peel it off, and if in case it does not come out, try to wet it again like the strip and then it will easily come out. And yeah, that's that. So it's very easy and it's very satisfying as well.
So the next step that we do is apply a face mask. So the mask that we are using currently is from the charcoal range of Mamaearth. Again, is the C3 face mask, which has charcoal, coffee and clay in it. So y'all can clearly see our obsession with the charcoal range of Mamaearth. So this is the second tub of C3 face mask that we are using. We have already finished one tub, and तो मतलब आप समझ ही लो how much we love this product. So
Also, it's very good for acne prone skin, guys. Also guys, make sure once you wash your face, tap your skin with clean towel and do not rub your face harshly. Else what you can do is let it air dry. That is the best thing you could do.
end up your glow up routine by using your favorite moisturizer on your face and you'll be good to go. So this is our
Glow up
routine.
Guys, if you enjoyed today's video and if you want us to make a hair care, body care or skincare routine, let us know in the comments. We'll happily do that. If you like this video, please like,
Comment,
share
and subscribe.
and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Toodles!
Doodles. And also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you
In order to win, you have to like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram.
And once you're done with all of these steps, comment saying done with your email ID or Instagram ID so that we can contact you.